Mastering English, Articles Unleashed. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to look at something we use every day, often without even realizing it: articles. But don't worry, we're going to break this down and make it as simple and straightforward as possible. Articles are a type of determiner. Now, if that term is new to you, don't worry. Determiners are just words that clarify a noun. They give us more information about who, what, where, and how many. And articles are the most common determiners we use in English. There are two types of articles: definite and indefinite. The definite article is the, and the indefinite articles are a and n. The definite article, the, is used when you're referring to a specific person, place, or thing that both you and the listener are aware of. For example, please pass the salt. Here, you're referring to a specific salt shaker that both you and the listener can identify. On the other hand, indefinite articles, a and n, are used when you're referring to a person, place, or thing that is not specific or known to the listener. For example, I saw a movie yesterday. In this case, you're not referring to a specific movie that the listener knows about. The difference between a and n depends on the sound that follows. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound and n before words that begin with a vowel sound. Remember, the use of articles in English can be a bit tricky because it's not always about what's correct or incorrect, but rather what's appropriate in a given situation. Practice and familiarity with the language will make this easier over time. So, keep practicing and keep using your articles. And that's our introduction to English articles. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of what they are and how to use them. Remember, the key to mastering this and any other aspect of English grammar is practice. So, keep reading, keep speaking, and most of all, keep having fun with English. See you in the next video.